What person in history would Armando take out for dinner and why?
I'm gonna say Sean Combs because that's all he says. That's all he says is no daddy, no daddy. So and just to ask him some serious questions of why are you doing all this, man?
I'll say Kobe.
I don't know, probably a nice Mexican restaurant, a Cuban restaurant, since he got the background, and then he's from Miami, so they like to hang out in Miami. So
And where we'll go to a steak place.
Armando's favorite way to spend a weekend.
riding his motorcycle. He
Is
loves
that
his bike, and that's all he talks about. So I'm assuming
With my kids, play football with the kids.
do you think he has a bad day of the week that he doesn't like?
if he does, he'll never let us know it. I mean, he comes in, he's happy and he's go lucky, but I mean, I'm not sure about that.
I don't have, no, I don't. I think you make that day a bad day. I don't have a bad day.
Movies, you think he's got a favorite movie he's seen over and over again?
What was it? Oh, I think I'm gonna say Friday. I think he's seen that a couple of times.
Training Day, number one movie. Denzel, he's my favorite actor.
He's singing all the time. And now, does he? You asked me if he know the words of? Oh wow! But I'm gonna mess with him right here. Is he gonna see this? Okay, I'm gonna say Selena.
Yeah, some Tupac.